Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. You need to begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Now choose while using the app or only this time in Record Audio pop-up and tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to change its title, pause it, click on Add Title at the top and type in wherever you wish to. You can also click on Add Location below it, choose while using the app or only this time, and set up your location. If you wish to change mode of your recording, click on Audio or Transcript. In order to delete it right away, choose Delete option at the bottom left corner. Click on Delete in the pop-up and start over by choosing this red button again. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on Save at the bottom right one. Now, if you wish to change its title from here, click on it, tap on the title above, and type in wherever you want to. Then click on Save at the top right corner. In order to play it, click on this play button. You can always edit it as well by clicking on this scissors icon at the top right corner and making your changes. In order to discard them, click on X at the top left corner, and in order to save them, click on Save Copy at the top right one. Now you can name your copy however you wish to. Then choose OK. If you wish to get rid of one of your recordings, hold the chosen one, click on this delete icon at the top right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!